Well, there's been a lot of talk of people from Europe that I've talked to here about GDPR. So that has been the topic of several sessions, but also just conversation in the hallways. They know what's coming. In May they're like everything's going to change. There's this huge new concern about data, and that seems to be the thing that is immediately on people's minds right now. Actually, so on the GDPR topic, we at Panagenda have been really doing a lot of work and trying to find out how our products fit with people's concerns about their data, who has access to it, where it is, how you can consolidate, and so I think as far as the Panagenda products go, people are taking that GDPR topic and saying, hey, how can you help? And of course, Florian did the webcast, and we have some literature just about our products and GDPR specifically. So that's actually been very helpful. That we've been talking about it already for the last several months, and now when the customers are here at the conference and they have those questions, then we actually have good answers for them. So it's huge. The conference is gigantic. We're used to these smaller conferences, or small, that have 1,000 or 2,000, a few thousand people, and someone told me this has maybe 20,000 or more here, and there's people everywhere. There's booths everywhere. The show floor is just gigantic, and every time you walk by something, you're like, oh, I've never seen that before, and it shows how big IBM is, and there's all these parts of IBM that we just never had to touch before. And then it's funny because my watch and my phone are tracking my steps. And yesterday I walked 6 miles, and then the day before that I walked 7 miles. And so I'm getting my exercise while I'm learning all about all of these IBM things. But it's been fascinating to just see all of these things that I just didn't even know IBM was doing. And so it's been very cool. It's been a really fun conference so far.